Okay, we are going to look at features formed in the lower stage of a river. And number one is river meanders. River meanders are bends or curves that appear on a river in its lower stage. A river meander is formed when a river deposits on its bank, and as it tries to dodge these depositional materials, it keeps on coiling around them and forming sharp bends called what? River meanders. You can ask yourself, what are the causes of river meanders? River meanders may not only be caused by the river dodging its depositional materials, there might be other causes. For example, one, the nature of the rock. A river bends because it is trying to dodge a hard rock following a soft rock. A hard rock becomes a barrier to the river direction, and as it is trying to dodge a hard rock, it bends. Then we have flat gradient favors the formation of river meander because it is at this flat gradient that the river deposits its materials. Deposition is much in the lower stage because of its flat gradient, and as the river dodges these materials, it bends. Next is the reduced speed of velocity of the river can also help it to bend because the river is slow. It's not flowing like the other time when it was in the upper stage, and the gradient is flat. Therefore, its laziness to flow faster can also help it to bend. Next, presence of obstacles, for example, rocks that stand in the direction of the river. So as the river knocks on these obstacles, it tries to dodge them and finally bends. Much deposition on the river banks. We have already talked about this. Much deposition on the river banks. The river therefore tries to dodge these materials and it bends. Earth movements, for example, folding. Folding can force the river to bend because it is dodging the folded landscape or upwarped area following downwarped region. And therefore, as it tries to dodge the upwarped area and following the downwarped region, it dodges the other upwarped rock and bends. Even faulting. A river may bend along a fault-guided valley, forming a fault-guided river. It may also occur like that. An oxbow lake. This is a lake which looks like a shoe of a horse. That's why sometimes we say it is a horseshoe lake. It is a semicircular lake within the floodplain, within the river valley. It is formed when erosion and deposition cut off the meander neck of the river. If you check on this diagram, this is a river meandering, but it reaches where it meanders sharply and creates sharp curves, and this meander forms a meander neck. If you check here, this is the neck of the meander. So if there are depositional materials deposited here, if depositional materials come and get deposited here, they will block the meander neck. And when the meander neck is blocked, the other original river keeps on flowing in a straight line, leaving this part of the river separated from the main river, forming an oxbow lake. We have floodplains. A floodplain is a low-lying plain of alluvial deposits on the floor of the river valley. Floodplains are neighboring lowlands of the original river within the river valley. During rainy season, floods occupy this space. That's why we call it a floodplain. When it is dry season, these areas are dry and they can be used for agriculture, that is crop growing, animal keeping, quarrying, etc. And as rains come back, these areas get flooded. They are covered by depositional materials, or sometimes vegetation grows on them, papyrus and other swampy vegetation. If you visit the valley of River Nyabarongo and Akagera, the whole valley is not covered by the river. The river flows in the middle in a permanent channel, but when it is rainy season, this river may flood, and this extra water covers the neighboring extensive area, which is a floodplain. Then in dry season, this area dries up and water flows in its permanent channel again. We have levees. These are raised river banks made up of alluvial deposits. They are formed when a river deposits its load along its banks during flooding. So if you check here properly, this is the original river flowing. Then after, this river deposits materials on its bank, these two banks. It deposits materials on these two banks, and the materials keep on heaping, raising to a higher level, forming levees. We have deferred tributaries. These are smaller tributaries or rivers that flow alongside the main river. They are formed when raised levees stop the tributaries from joining the main stream. And therefore, since they are stopped, they begin flowing alongside the main river. Take an example, look at this diagram. These are levees at the two banks of the river. Because they are raised, they stop the direction, or they stop the flow of the neighboring river, which was formerly entering the main river, and this river begins flowing alongside the main river because its head was blocked by the levees. And this diagram also illustrates what we call deferred confluence. It is a point at which the main river, it's a point at which the deferred tributaries join the main river. In case they join, the point at which this deferred tributary joins the main river is what we call deferred confluence. I think if you check on the diagram, if this deferred tributary joins this river, it forms a point we call deferred confluence. Braided channels. Braided channels. These are wide and shallow river channels which with many water interconnecting distributaries separated by river deposits. They are formed when the river deposits divide the flow of the water into smaller distributaries. You can even call them divided channels, braided channels, as the river flows and deposits on its sides or on its bed. The depositional materials separate the water of the main river into other minor channels, and thus braided channels. We have a delta. A delta is a large flat area of river deposits at the river mouth. As the river enters the sea or joins the sea, it deposits that, because that is the time when deposition is at its climax. It deposits its materials on its mouth, and these materials separate the water of the main river into other smaller channels, just like also braided channels form. Then the feature formed is called a delta. Deltas may no longer contain rivers. They may be dry, or they may contain some minor rivers after dividing the main river. For them, they are flat and extensive, and most of them are made of, if not all of them, they are made of depositional materials of the river.